The benefits of project-based learning are clear. It deepens learning, builds success skills like problem-solving and collaboration, and makes education more meaningful. And for teachers, it transforms the classroom, sparking creativity, engagement, and connection. But designing great PBL takes time. Researching, planning, aligning to standards, it all adds up. And with everything on a teacher's plate, finding that time isn't easy. That's why we created PBLWorks TEACH, a web-based app that makes PBL easier, faster, and more accessible. Backed by more than 30 years of expertise, TEACH delivers ready-to-use, standards-aligned projects with built-in professional learning. Each project includes step-by-step guidance, resources, and assessment tools, so educators have everything they need to bring PBL to life without the extra workload. Designed for schools and districts, TEACH is scalable and sustainable. It features more than 50 expert-crafted projects across math, science, ELA, and social studies, each earning the PBLWorks Gold Standard stamp of quality. And with embedded coaching videos and teaching tips, educators build their confidence and elevate their practice while using it in their classrooms. Project-based learning is powerful, unlocking deeper learning and student success. With TEACH, educators can spend less time planning and more time inspiring, because students deserve relevant, engaging learning. And educators deserve the resources and tools to make it easier and more effective. TEACH makes PBL easier. Learn more at pblworks.org/teach.